Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Beyond the Briefcase. I hope you all are doing well. So, welcome to the case laws segment where we discuss important case laws with regard to important concepts of law. As we all know, res judicata concept, which is mentioned in Section 10 of CPC. So, the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of SC Garg versus State of Uttar Pradesh, citation you can see. uh, The Honorable Supreme Court held that res judicata principle applies in criminal proceedings as well. Findings in one case bind parties in subsequent case, right? So this was the say by the Supreme Court. This was the statement released by the Honorable Supreme Court bench of two honorable judges, Justice Pankaj Mittal and Justice P.K. Mishra. So whenever I take the name of the honorable judges, make sure you read it properly. It could come in your examination, be it judiciary, CLAT UG, CLAT PG. They do ask the name of the judges as well. So the Honorable Supreme Court recently explained the principle of res judicata and how the applicability of res judicata in criminal cases and civil cases, right? Also, the findings of the fact recorded by the criminal court would be binding on both parties in any subsequent proceedings involving the same issue. So, res judicata without the same issue, it cannot exist, right? Also, the Honorable Court relied on the leading case of Pritam Singh versus the state of Punjab, AIR 1956. In that particular case, you can see which I've highlighted. It stated that the principle of res judicata applies equally to criminal proceedings and civil cases as well, emphasizing that it would be impermissible to acquit an accused in a later trial based on the same evidence that had been previously formed the basis of convention. So this case, plays a very important role. It's a landmark case, I would say, because so many people they don't know only that res judicata can it be applied to criminal cases as well. But when we see this case law, it gives a proper clarity that yes, res judicata can be applied in both criminal and civil cases. Also, the Honorable Supreme Court explained that there was no real divergence between the both sets of judgments, and the second set of judgments pertain to proceedings under Section 482 CRPC, while the first set was regarding judgments after a full-fledged trial. So this thing also becomes very important, right? Now, coming. So the decision given by the Honorable Court that they set aside the High Court's decision. Also, the Honorable Court. So basically, this judgment was authored by Honorable Justice Prashant Kumar Mishra. He held that the registration of a cheating case against the appellant amounted to an abuse of a legal process was barred by the principle of res judicata, since the NI Act proceedings had specifically recorded the three demand drafts were issued to settle liabilities separate from those related to dishonored check, and the subsequent prosecution under Section 420 IPC, which talks about cheating, could not be permitted to continue. So when we talk about this case, we can see that there are various sections involved. The first being Section 10 of CPC, res judicata, Section 420 IPC, cheating, Section 482 of CRPC, which talks about inherent power of courts. Also, Section 138, dishonor of check, NI Act 8081. Also, the court, noted the precedent laid down the Preetham Singh's case, which we discussed that why Preetham Singh case is very important with regard to res judicata, because this particular case tells us that res judicata can be applied to criminal and civil cases both, right? Also, this is a judgment copy which you can read from the live law if you have premium subscription. If you want to read the judgment of this case law, you can approach to me through my Instagram, through my Telegram. I'll share the PDF with you. It's a good judgment of 28 pages, and they have listed out all the important doctrines and the sections, involved sections, and also the important precedents as well, right? So I hope you have understood this particular case law and the case title, SC Garg versus State of Uttar Pradesh and others. The citation is 2025 Live Law, Supreme Court 436. So that's it from my side. Do share this judgment with your friends who are currently pursuing law, who are practicing in courts, and do like and subscribe my videos for more informative videos. Thank you so much for watching my video, people. Thank you so much.